Missing all the food from the French Caribbean. This is one of my breakfasts there. Had so many amazing baguette lunches. So naturally, I'm buying lots of baguettes now that I'm home. And today I whipped up a little crostini for a neighborhood game night. The French really like to use ingredients the same day that they purchase them. So that's exactly what I did here. I seasoned up the baguette with a little spray of olive oil, some nice salt, and some garlic powder. All the produce is peak freshness here, which is why the dish turned out so good. And really the star of the show is this kind of like bruschetta, and that's when the dish took a little bit of an Italian turn with cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, diced red onion, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, some olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. I can't make anything without underestimating the size of the bowl I need, so then I put it all in a larger bowl and added some fresh basil. Freshly grated Asiago cheese added so much flavor at the end. You have to save this for an easy summer dish. Delicious. If you want to be the first to know when easy recipes like this come out on Sip by Go, make sure to hop on my Foodie Fridays email list. Details in the caption.